This video will show you how to install your SmartBoard T-Pro Series interactive display. The installation of all SmartBoard displays is similar, with minor variations by model and size. In this video, we'll demonstrate the process by installing a 75-inch T-Pro display on a wall. Be sure to refer to the installation instructions for your specific display model. The illustrated installation instructions are included in the display's packaging, and you can also download them from Smart Support site. To learn about installing the display on a stand rather than on a wall, visit Stand and Wall Mounts on Smart Support site. The package indicates which side is the front of the display. Because you need to attach brackets to the back of the display before you mount it to the wall, make sure that you have clear access to the back of the display and that the back is oriented towards the mounting location. Cut and remove the packaging straps and remove any loose packaging pieces. Remove the clips that secure the top of the box to the base by squeezing the plastic retaining clips and pulling them out of the box. Carefully lift the top of the packaging to remove it. Remove the accessory box from the top of the packaging and set it aside for use later. If you purchase a SKU that also includes a Smart OPS module, also remove it from the top of the packaging and set it aside for use later. The accessories box contains a variety of important accessories for the display, such as pens and the remote control. It's a good idea to keep all the accessories in one place, so you can find them easily as you install the display. Remove the protective foam and cardboard from the top of the display. Carefully cut the protective bag and pull it down. If you'll be using an optional Smart OPS module, now is a good time to install it in the display's OPS slot, before you mount the display on the wall or connect power. We will install the display on a wall using Smart Wall Mount Model WM-SBID200. This wall mount kit includes the wall mount, 2 brackets for the display, 4 screws for mounting those brackets to the display, and an illustrated installation guide. The wall mount installation guide is also available on Smart Support site. The installation guide shows the tools and additional hardware that isn't included but that you might need. Be sure to have these available before you begin the installation. Before you install the wall mount, consider the type of installation and the average height of the people who will use the display. Also make sure there's enough wall space to accommodate the display and include space around the display to allow for airflow, cable access, and to let you adjust the display's position. Secure the wall mount to the wall using appropriate fasteners for the type of wall. Make sure the display bracket security screw is loose enough to permit mounting the display on the wall mount without obstruction. Secure the 2 brackets to the back of the display using M8 screws, 4 of which are included with the display, 4 are also included with the wall mount. In most cases, there's a range of bracket installation heights you can choose from. Select a height that allows clear access for the lower screw heads. Using 2 or more people as needed for the display's weight and size, lift the display out of the packaging and carefully hang it on the mount. Secure the display brackets to the mount to minimize risk of accidental removal. You might need a long reach screwdriver for this step. Do not tighten these screws fully. Turn them only until they stop. Connect the display's power cable from the power outlet to the display's power input port, but do not turn on the display quite yet. Attach a network cable from your network to the display. This is needed for firmware updates. If you're connecting an external computer, attach the computer's video and USB data cables to the display. Put batteries in the remote control. Put the pens on the display's pen tray. After everything is connected, find the main power switch on the back of the display and turn it on. The location of the switch varies by display model and size, but it is usually close to where the power cable is connected. If the display does not begin to turn on automatically, press the power button on the front of the display. After you turn on the display for the first time, you're prompted to set up the display's language and default input. after which some firmware updates may be applied and the display may restart. After the display is installed, use the input button to switch video input source or to access the display's settings. Install Smart Product Drivers on any computers you've connected to the display. You can download Smart Product Drivers from Smart's support website. Smart Product Drivers is available on its own and is also included with Smart's business and education software packages, such as Smart Meeting Pro, Smart Teamworks, and Smart Notebook. For product documentation, troubleshooting, and support, scan the QR code on the side of the display or visit support.smarttech.com. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Smart Support YouTube channel and visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.